guys, we are going to make a video on what lures you can catch bass on. I do have help from Carson.
Yeah, check out my channel, the Sailor and Carson Show, really good channel.
We have no sponsors, just to let you know. If you want to sponsor this, you can look at your product.
In the scripted bio, we will be having like Flambeau, stuff like that.
This is a Flambeau tackle box if you want to sponsor this. Okay. So we're going to tell you some lures. Daredevil. This is sponsors. We have Bass Pro Shop, Bobbers. And we have Power Bait. I think this is a laser truck car hook. A brand they don't make no more. I think that's a Gander Mountain. Power Bait, I think. Power Bait, Gander Mountain. A minnow from Storm. Don't know. Bass Pro Shops.
Oh, yeah.
Bass Pro Shops, MEPS, and this came in the Lucky Tackle Box. If you're a Lucky Tackle Box subscription, if you make lures that go in there, I don't know whose that is. And here's an off-brand spinnerbait. I think it's made by Walmart or Lucky Strike. So let's get right into it. You want to hold the camera and let me talk about them?
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry about that, guys, but hold it naturally. Thank you. So we threw in a musky lure. You might be able to catch some bass on it. Here we have a worm you would use for Texas rigging. So what you do is take the hook through the worm and make it like that. You shove it, and see this bend right here, you make that go. And you put the worm through the hook, and there you go. There's a Texas rigged worm. And that's pretty good too. And next we have a spoon. Daredevil works real nice. Bobbers.
Bass Pro.
This. And the lip, if you make that go against any rocks, it will break the lip off and you'll lose your crankbait.
One thing
So we're almost done. And we have jerk baits and stuff. This will not break. And we have soft plastics and stuff.
That will not break.
So we're almost out of video time, so sorry.
Boom.